My name is Mark Maxwell. I'm here in McLaren Vale, which is an hour south of Adelaide. I was actually born in this part of the world, so I've been here all my life. As part of my growing up, I had the fun as a kid of going out to prune the vines. I had to, for school holidays, I worked in wineries, and so it becomes part of your lifestyle. And so that's why I'm still in it today after all this time. I think there's a certain passion about making wine. To be able to take something that grows in the ground and turn it into a product that gives people pleasure is a really great thing to do. I respected tremendously my father's ability. He was very intuitive, very clever, and he had lots of good ideas, but he was also the path that, although he's not here now, but I still think of him and the things he does. I'm very fortunate now that I have a son who is now old enough to work here, and he will take on all of the workings and runnings and winemaking for Maxwell Wines. I think the image of a true family business is that they set the pace of the wine trends. It's the wineries of this size that are allowed to take risks, to try new varieties, try new fermentation methods. And quite often when they work, we see the bigger companies look at that as a commercial opportunity and they can come in and copy them. So I think a lot of the trends in the wine industry are started and continued by the family wineries.
Yeah. And then the bigger company comes in to get the fruit.
Yeah, they can look at the style and see what's working, what's not, and then they can select the thing that'll work best for them that they can promote commercially. We must probably have some successes and some things that don't work so well in our experiments, in our trials. We also have a following of people who are loyal to the brand or to the family because they like the people behind the brand, not just the taste of the wine. So I think they have a connection that at a dinner party, when they're talking to friends, they can say, oh, I asked Mark Maxwell about what oak was used in this wine. And that connection is something you most probably don't get from the big companies.